And after that, driveway.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Can we play tag after that?
What kind of tag?
Play tag, like you regular tag or freeze tag? Freeze tag. Yeah, that means the person needs to freeze the person and the other person that's on the nice team get that person to run away. Yeah. And so you have to run away, run away. Come on, guys, let's go play. I don't know how to get my hat on.
I think it's on there pretty good.
Like that? Wow. Can you help
Looks
me?
good.
Right there. You let I can hear
Perfect.
I can hear my voice. You mean your echo? Yeah. You I can hear. Aren't you just yeah, I don't know where the bat is.
I have it.